sound like you, Noah. Mmm. Oh, there's another little smile. Hmm? Whee! Bounce the chair again. That's a good job. That's a good job. Hey? Good for little Noah. Whee! It's only 3 days into his 3rd month. Mm-hmm. Yeah? It's very serious stuff, bouncing yourself. Yeah? What else happened? Oh, really? Oh. Ooh. Those are big words. Whee. Oh. Yeah? That's loud for little Noah. Hey? Oh? What do you think of that? Was it time to say goodbye? Are you gonna wave goodbye? Maybe. Yay! Oh, that's fun.